Let's say you want to become a PNG tuber, but you don't want to download any additional programs just to use one. Did you know you can make one just through OBS? This is Image Reaction, an OBS Studio plugin where it allows an image to react to your microphone. All you have to do is click the download for Windows, go to your downloads, right click, and select extract files here. Once it's extracted, double click on the file, and we're going to take both of these new folders and we're going to copy them. And now we're going to locate where OBS is on our PC. For me, I'm going to click the local disk, select program files, scroll down until I find OBS Studio, and then we're just going to right click and hit paste. Now we have to open OBS. If you already have OBS open while doing this, go ahead and close it and open it once more. First thing we're going to do is go to the scene that you want, hit sources, and then hit the plus arrow. Look for image reaction. That's what we just installed. I already made one for my Clove model, but what if I want to make one for my KJ model? So I could name it KJ PNG. Hit OK, and it's going to show two image sources here. Image when silence, image when sound. For image when silence, I'm going to hit browse, and I'm going to look for my KJ images. The first one will be when I'm quiet, so I'll have the mouth closed, hit open, and then we'll do the image when sound. This one will be when it's mouth open. Select it, hit open, but first we have to make sure that we have the audio source specified. So click on audio source, and select the one that's for your microphone. And now, when I'm talking, it's now going to open and close its mouth. Now that I've moved the model out of the way, I'm going to show you the reaction threshold. This is specifically targeting your microphone meter. Let's say I want my reaction threshold set to 30. If you look between my two PNG models, the KJ one on the right tends to not react the same as the one on the left, my Clove model. You can adjust things as you want here, same with the smoothness. It's up to you how you want the settings to work out, but I hope this helps you whenever you want to try out PNG tubing, especially without using another program. That's basically it. Again, you can try it with PNGs, you can do it with other internet images, or even GIFs, whatever works. Wow! Ooh, wow. Sorry.